Working as a father and son business can really have its heated moments at times, but at the end of the day, it allows us to have a common purpose to see where we want to grow the business in the future, and it means that the business has a lot of meaning to me. My name is David. Our business is ANS Welding and Electrical, a welding supply store, and we also do services such as repairs of machines and rent off machines for people who need machines for renting. In 2001, my dad opened the business. I came on in March and decided let's make things a bit more modern. So we set up a website and we started selling online. We've been able to move our business forward using technology that in the past we thought as too daunting to take on. I decided we need to find something new and a new program to start using. So I decided to start up with MYOB to monitor the amount of on-hand stock we have, the value of the stock we have on hand, and also the buying and selling price. Basically allows us to not have to worry about running out of things. It will automate the reordering process. We don't have to worry about how much things cost. It puts that in for us, and the invoices can be sent out in just a few clicks. Everything is accessible from our phones and from our computers. Everything is backed up and we don't lose anything ever. It saves us time every single day. With that free time, I'm able to go and add products onto our website. I'm able to talk with customers, give advice, and basically by switching to MYOB, we've been able to do that all in one program. I would say to any business, if you're looking to modernize the way you handle inventory and keep it in one easy to access place, MYOB is a program of choice.